I think he's gone. What was that?
It's my tummy.
Well, stop it. You're gonna attract another predator.
But I'm hungry.
Will you please stop talking about food?
I'm really hungry.
Yeah, me too. I'm so hungry. I think I've started to digest myself. And there's no food around here for miles.
Oh, I always knew you guys had problems, but I never realized how bad it was.
Have you eaten today, son?
No, I haven't, but it's because...
I guess I can run by the toy store. Your pizza will be there in 45 minutes.
I don't have 45 minutes. Faster!
Fine, if I skip my break, I can be there in half an hour. Fine, if I run the red lights, I can be there in 15 minutes.
That is acceptable.
Situation, here's the pie chart.
Turn it off! Pie charts make me hungry!
Why don't we all tell each other about our day and why we got upset in the first place?
Oh, where's the pizza? So hungry I'm beginning to digest myself. I'm on my way.
Sir, could you keep your sound system down, please?
That's my stomach, officer! I'm so hungry! In fact, I'm so hungry I think I'm hallucinating. Wow, that was pointless. You're already a hot dog.